How to check hidden messages in Messenger. Let's get started. First thing first, launch the Messenger on your device. On the Messenger home screen, tap on the three horizontal lines icon located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, click on the message request to view hidden messages from the people you are not connected with. Here you will see two categories: people you may know. This includes messages from the people who have mutual friends connected to you, and spam. It includes messages that may be unwanted or suspicious. Furthermore, click on any message you want to open. You can see the sender name, profile picture, and message preview. Now if you want to continue chatting, choose accept to move the conversation to your main chat list. However, if you don't want to interact, tap delete to remove the message from your message request. That's it. Now you know how to check your hidden messages in Messenger.